Hi, and welcome to another fit-for-purpose product presentation. In this segment, we'll be talking about LED strip lights. We're going to take a look at AT6 LED strip lights from Domus line of Italy. AT6 is one of Fit's most popular lines, and there's several reasons why kitchen makers, joiners, and cabinet makers like it so much. First up, it meets New Zealand standards. So there's a lot of cheap LED product out there that doesn't, so please do your homework when looking at LED options. AT6 can be installed without using traditional aluminium profile or plastic diffuser, making it much simpler and easier to use. It can be recessed or installed on the surface, so it's versatile, and if you go for the surface installation, everything you need comes with it. High seal 3M adhesive backing and saddle and screws, so you can choose your preferred method. When recessed, AT6 sits flush with the surface for a very tidy finish. AT6 LED strip is slim, just 6 by 6 mm, so it looks really streamlined. One of the less appealing aspects of old style LED lighting was the dotted effect that came with them. However, AT6 uses a milky effect diffusing silicone coating that smooths out the light, so there's no unattractive dotting effect. Now here's a great feature of AT6. It's super flexible and can be installed around corners with a minimum radius of just 25 mm. So if you've got ideas for curves or other creative LED highlights, AT6 is an excellent choice. For maximum efficiency, AT6 comes in pre-cut lengths of 2, 3 or 6 meters, and you can then trim to suit your project. With increments of just 21.7 mm, you can get a perfect fit. And to assist with minimizing waste, there are options that have power cable at each end. That means you can trim in the right spot for your project and have 2 usable pieces of LED strip. And a couple of last technical points. AT6 has 276 high-performance LEDs per meter, providing 50 lumens per watt, and it's IP44 rated, so it's protected from solid particles that are over 1 mm in size, and from low velocity sprays of water from every direction.